guess who made their own freaking shoe? We got the Parkstar Loves, y'all. What is up, folks? I have an important announcement for you guys, and I am so excited to share it with y'all. We got the Parkstar Loves, y'all. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all my own manufactured sneaker. It's taken me about a year so far, but I finally got them in hand. We're about to be sold out, but I just wanted to show y'all all the freaking details that I did on the shoe. Check that out. You got the size tag, custom size tag. Check out the box, y'all. Are you freaking kidding me? So yeah, this took about a year. I did a lot of sketches with my manufacturer, and I'm like really happy how it came out, and it's definitely gonna be something to brag about in the future. Without further ado, the Parkstar Loves. So I'm just gonna get into them. We're just gonna unbox them together and just comment below what y'all think of them. Like, this was the first actual manufactured shoe. I do a lot of custom shoes, but like I was like, I wanna enter into that realm of getting my shoes manufactured. All right. So as you can tell, guys, look at the paper. First of all, customized paper. You know the deal. Comes with a bunch of shoelaces, every color you desire. So actually my whole thought on the shoelaces was the shoe's like all canvas, and it's a canvas material, and I wanted it to be kind of just like an artist blank shoe. And so we're just gonna go through and I'm just gonna talk about the details, and I really just want to know y'all's opinion on the whole thing, honestly. So I'm gonna take these laces off so y'all can get a bit closer look. But yeah, as of right now, I think we have 15 pairs left for sale. Take a look at that, y'all. Pretty crazy shoe. Like, if you look at all the details, it's like really intense. Obviously, very inspired by Virgil and the Off-White Dunks. But like, I wanted to, I don't know, I wanted to have an ode to that. R.I.P. Virgil. Like, you really were a big influence on me. I kind of wanted to just take that and do my own thing with it. The whole idea with the Parkstar brush was like, everybody's an artist, and like, you don't have to be an artist as in like a painter, but an artist means like you write your own story. You're creative in your own way. So like, that was the whole goal in this, and I just hope y'all appreciate the pair. So yeah, I'm gonna throw a bunch of B-roll shots on them. And honestly, like, this is gonna be a short video, but I really just wanted y'all to take a look at what I've accomplished, and like, I'm really proud of these. So Parkstar Customs is my brand. We got the art right there. Dude, oh my God, it's so beautiful, y'all. PC on the back. And you know, so the paintbrush. Get a little closer look at that. I love the overlace, and I'll show y'all what it looks like with another color in, just if y'all are curious. We'll do we'll do yellow, just to show y'all like exactly like what it's gonna look like if y'all put other laces in. Ooh, it even looks good like without the overlace. Like, check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna put these in. I'm gonna put these in real quick, just so y'all can see like another color. Y'all, this yellow looks sick.
1 hour later.
Okay. So here's a little yellow option. So the shoe comes with, I'll name off the colors just if y'all are curious. We got the red. We got the blue. the other shoe is gonna have, we got cream, a little bit of brown, and some black. But yeah, guys, thank y'all for watching the video. I mean, this was a short one. I just wanted to show y'all like what I've been working on. I haven't been posting a lot, and I'm sorry. So the next video I'm gonna be doing is wearing these for 30 days. And like, I wanna see like how they hold up. If stuff starts breaking, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like if it doesn't turn out to be a good shoe, like I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna be honest. If they're super comfortable, I'm gonna tell y'all that. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna be posting more content about this. I post a lot of other content, customizing shoes, making shoes for celebrities, all the works, y'all. This is just the beginning of Parks Art. Comment below what I should make next.